The topic is Kingdom Animalia. So in this Kingdom Animalia, next topic phylum Porifera. Phylum Porifera. Porifera means pore bearing. Porifera means pore bearing. Porifera means pore bearing. Pore bearing means entire animal body holes are present, pores are present, many pores are present. So they are called as phylum Porifera. Phylum Porifera name was coined by the name is coined by the name is coined by Robert Grant. Phylum Porifera name is coined by the Robert Grant, scientist name Robert Grant. So this Robert Grant, that name Porifera is coined by the Robert Grant. So these animals are commonly called these animals are commonly called sponges. Sponges. These animals are commonly called as sponges or parazoans. Sponges are parazoans. Next one, general characters. Phylum Porifera, general characters. First general character, habitat. First one is the habitat. Habitat. Habitat means animal living place. Animal living place is called habitat. So this phylum Porifera, all the animals are living in aquatic. Living in aquatic. They are living in aquatic. Aquatic means they are living in water. Aquatic. And sessile. Aquatic and sessile. Aquatic means these are living in water. Aquatic means living in water. Living in water. Living in water. Aquatic means living in water. Sessile means these are living in attached. These are living in attached. So these all organisms are the living in attached only. There is no free movement. They are living only attached. So they are the habitat, aquatic habitat and sessile. So mostly they are living in marine water. Mostly living in marine water. Mostly living in marine water. Marine water means sea water. 80% of poriferans they are living in marine water. Mostly living in marine water. Few are living in fresh water. Few living in fresh water. Few are living in fresh water. Mostly living in marine water. Few are living in fresh water. Next one, level of organization. Level of organization. Level of organization. So in this phylum Porifera animals, level of organization. So these are the cellular level of organization. Cellular level of organization. Cellular level means only the animal body cells are present, no tissues. Tissues are absent, organs are absent, organ systems are absent, only cells are present. So they are called as primitive multicellular animals. These are called primitive multicellular animals. These are called primitive multicellular animals. Primitive means first. Primitive, first multicellular animals. First time many cells present in the phylum Porifera. Primitive multicellular animals. Primitive means first. Multicellular means many cells are present. First time the phylum Porifera, many cells are present. So in this animal cellular level of organization, nerve cells and sensory cells are absent. Very special character. Nerve cells and sensory cells are absent. nerve cells and sensory cells are absent. So many cells are present, but in these animals, nerve cells and sensory cells are absent. So these are the level of organization. Next one, body wall. Body wall. The body wall contains two layers. The body wall contains two layers. Body wall contain two layers. Outer pinacoderm, inner coenoderm. Outer pinacoderm, inner coenoderm. Outer pinacoderm layer and inner coenoderm layer. So in this pinacoderm, they produce the pinacocytes. Pinacoderm produce the pinacocytes. Cyte means cells. The pinacoderm layer produce the pinacocyte cells. Coenoderm layer produce the coenocytes. Coenoderm produce the coenocytes. So these are the body wall. The body wall contain two layers, outer pinacoderm and inner coenoderm. The pinacoderm contain pinocyte cells. Coenoderm contain coenocyte cells. So in this Porifera diagram, the body wall contain two layers. Outer one is called as pinacoderm. Inner one is called as coenoderm. Between these two layers, mesohyl is present. Mesohyl is present. So these are the body wall. Next one, spongiocele. 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 Spongiocele means the central cavity is called spongiocele. The central cavity is called spongiocele. The central cavity is called spongiocele. So this cavity is called a spongiocele. The central cavity is called spongiocele. The spongiocele opens into the osculum. The spongiocele opens into osculum. Opens into osculum. The spongiocele opens into osculum. This one. Only one exterior opening. This one is called as osculum. The spongiocele opens into the osculum. So these are the spongiocele. Next one, in this sponges, in this Porifera, one very special character is present. Water transport system, water canal system. Water canal system. Water canal system. In this sponges, water transport system is called water canal system. Water transport system is called water transport system is called water canal system. Water transport system is called water canal system. So it water canal system, it functions nutrition, respiration and excretion. Nutrition, respiration and excretion. Nutrition means gathering of food, collection of food. Gathering of food, collection of food. Nutrition means gathering of food. Respiration means exchange of gases. Exchange of gases. Excretion means removal of waste materials. Removal of waste materials. So the functions of canal system, three functions: nutrition function, respiration function, excretion function. Nutrition means gathering of food, collection of food. Respiration means exchange of gases. Excretion means removal of waste materials. So very special character, water canal system. So they are the three functions. Water transport way. Water transport way, this is also very important. So in this water transport way, first of all, these are living in water, means for example, these are the exterior. So exterior water. So this exterior water enters into the ostia. Enters into the ostia. This structure is called ostia. Ostia. The entire body, many holes are present, many pores are present. These all the pores are called as ostia. So the exterior water enters into the ostia. So in this ostia to spongiocele, ostia to spongiocele, spongiocele to osculum, osculum to again exterior, again exterior. So these are the water transport way. Water transport way, first of all, exterior water. This exterior water enters into the ostia. Through the ostias to enters into the spongiocele. The central cavity is called spongiocele. This spongiocele to osculum, osculum to exterior. Very important point. Many ostias are present in the sponge's body, in the poriferan body. Many ostias are present, but only one osculum is present. Only one osculum is present. Many ostias are present. Means these all the ostias are helps into the water enters into the spongiocele. Water enters into the spongiocele. Through the ostia, the water enters into the spongiocele. Spongiocele to osculum. Osculum to exterior. So these are the water transport way. First one, exterior water. Exterior water. So this exterior water enters into the ostia. Ostia. So this ostia to exterior water enters into the ostia. Ostia to spongiocele. Spongiocele to osculum. Osculum to again exterior. Exterior. So they are the water transport way. First one, exterior water. This exterior water enters into the ostia. Ostia to spongiocele. Spongiocele to osculum. Osculum to again exterior. So in this ostia act as inhaling operator, like mouth-like function. Inhaling operator, like this act as mouth-like function. Inhaling operator. Next one, osculum. These are the exhalating operator, like these are the anus-like function. Anus-like function. Ostia is the mouth-like function, osculum is the anus-like function. So they are the water transport way. Nutrition. Nutrition. So in this nutrition, filter feeding type. Nutrition, filter feeding type. Filter feeding type means, so in this water transport way and in this water movement, any food materials are present, that is the filtering, capturing, that is the filter feeding type of nutrition. Next one, digestion. Digestion. So in this digestion is intracellular digestion. Intracellular digestion. Intracellular digestion means the digestion occurring inside the cell. Intracellular means the digestion occurring inside the cell. The digestion occurring inside the cell, that is called intracellular digestion. Next one, skeleton. Skeleton. So in this skeletal structure, the protection of the body, supporting the body. So skeletal structures, calcareous spicules, silica spicules, spongin fibers are present. Calcareous. Calcareous spicules, silica spicules, spongin fibers. Spongin fibers. So they are the skeletal structures. Calcareous spicules, silica spicules and spongin fibers. So they are the skeleton. Next one, Respiration and excretion. Respiration and excretion. Respiration and excretion. So respiration and excretion, these are the simple diffusion type. So that is simple diffusion type, because of only cells are present, no organs, no organ systems, only simple diffusion type of respiration is present. Next one, reproduction. Reproduction. So in this one, reproduction, so these are the monoecious or hermaphroditic. Monoecious. Monoecious or hermaphroditic. Monoecious or hermaphroditic. Monoecious or hermaphroditic means, monoecious means single parent produce the male and female gametes. Single parent. Single parent produce male and female gametes. Single parent produce the male and female gamete means no separation of male organism, no separating of the female organism. Only one organism is present. Only one organism, they produce the male gametes and female gametes. That is called as monoecious or hermaphroditic. Next one, reproduction. In this one, two types of reproductions are present. Sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction is present. In this one, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction is present. Asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction is present. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means no involvement of gametes. No involvement of gametes. No involvement of gametes is called asexual reproduction. So in the sponges, asexual reproduction, two types. One is the fragmentation type and budding type. Fragmentation type and budding type. Fragmentation type and budding type. Fragmentation means just example, these are the one parent sponge. They are the parent sponge. So in this parent sponge, small part is cut. This small part is cut. This small part, they develop into the new sponge. They develop into the new sponge. Small fragment is cut. This small fragment is cut, they develop into the new sponge. These are called as fragmentation. Next one, budding type. Budding type means, so these are the one parent. These are the one parent. In this parent, entire one bud is cut. Entire this bud is cut. These buds develop into new sponge. These are developed into new sponge. So they are called as fragmentation and budding type. There is no involvement of gametes. These are the asexual reproduction. Next one, sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction means involvement of gametes. Involvement of gametes. Involvement of gametes is called sexual reproduction. Involvement of gametes means, for example, these are the male gamete, these are the female gamete. Male gametes and female gamete. They are the female gamete, these are the male gamete. These two fusion There are two involved. Male and female gametes are involved. That is called as sexual reproduction. Next one, fertilization. Fertilization. Fertilization means the fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization. So in this one, fertilization is internal fertilization. Internal fertilization. Internal fertilization. Internal fertilization means the fertilization occurring inside the body. The fertilization occurring inside the body. For example, these are the one sponge. In this sponge, these are the female gamete, these are the male gamete. These two fusion, their formation of the zygote. This fertilization occurring inside the body, so that is called as internal fertilization. Next one, development. Development. So in this development is indirect development. Development is indirect development. Indirect development means presence of the larval stage. Presence of larval stage. Larval stage. Presence of the larval stage. That is called as indirect development. And regeneration. 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 Well-developed regeneration capacity is present. Well-developed regeneration capacity is present. Well-developed regeneration is present. Well-developed regeneration means in this sponge, in this porifera animals, any small part is cut. This small part again newly developed. That is called regeneration is present. Example, cycon. Examples very important. Example, cycon, skypa. Cycon, skypa. Next one, spongilla. Spongilla. Freshwater sponge. Freshwater sponge. Euspongia. Euspongia. Bath sponge. Euspongia. Bath sponge. So these are the examples of phylum Porifera.